So today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a basic thumbnail for beginners. Basically I'm using this website called Panzoid. I got other websites I can use, but today I'm using this. To do this, you go here, go thumbnail, go down here and you add layers. But what I tend to do is not add layers like this. I go over here and type in watercolor, which is I'm going to do like a cyan texture. And that's what go here and you just look at the textures and you find one that's made by Panzoid, one that matches like what you want on your background. Just click this on and you go like here. Okay, looks cool. Save images. I'm gonna say cyan texture. And save your pictures. Where do you save it to? And then you do your PNG, which is thumbnail PNG. These are stuff that's commonly found on thumbnails. I'm gonna go with how to make thumbnails for beginners would look like. Look, I use this. Tick for cyan texture. Bad layer image, cyan texture, image, tick. I guess it kind of looks better if it's like that. And then you get like, this is annoying me. Add layer, text. I don't have any custom text yet because I know you can make custom text. But I'm gonna go thumbnails for beginners. And our text. I'm gonna make this color purple. Jeez. 100% panzoid, which is basically I'm using panzoid 100%. I'm not using another program. Boom. And put that next to the tick and put this up here. I'm going to change it to 250. Actually, no, go up to 200. 200. Oh. Okay, it's then 180. And then you click start image render, and then render your image, and then it'll come over something about downloading, and download to your downloads. Then if it says background, if it's like a background, that means you've already used this program. But again, see, it says thanks. You're downloading and starting, and it comes with some ads. I don't know why, but for Google. There's Google, but we need to make money. And here we go, our thing. But again, there are like stuff that you can do with like, such as, you know, editing. Like you can add layers and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna go into that kind of stuff. But anyway, boys, thanks for watching again. Peace.